but my internet went.
That's absolutely okay. Which is your favorite
Ma'am,
subject?
you are asking favorite
Maths or
subject
science?
from
So
maths or science, or you are asking from all the subjects?
no, I'm asking from all the subjects.
Then my favorite subject is English.
Otherwise science.
Yes.
And Zaveria?
Chemistry.
History.
He said chemistry.
History.
Chemistry.
Okay, see, because of this, I heard history and I got shocked, because that was one subject I used to hate during my school times. I still remember my mom used to beat me and she used to make me sit, and I used to keep running away, shut myself in the bathroom. Then I used to lock myself in my room and I used to say, if you're teaching me history, I'm not coming out. Whenever I used to have history exam, I still remember I used to only cry and cry. I used to hate history. Okay, which subject is that which you all would never like to study? I can't hear you, Zuveria.
Ma'am, I like all the subjects.
Oh, you like
I
all
like
this.
maths
I hate
because
Marathi.
I like maths because I like
One
numbers.
story, na, Aisha. Aisha Aga. When I was in school, I was like you only. I also used to not, when I used to not get answers and when I used to not understand, I used to tell that ma'am, please, I don't like maths. So don't focus on me too much and all. And that teacher, and she used to be back of me. That no, you can. And I never thought that one day I will teach maths to somebody. But see, when you take interest in something, because even I was like, maths
Ma'am,
is
I like maths, but I do not understand it so much.
that is what even when I used to not understand and when I used to not get that correct answers and when my friends used to get no in the class, I used to get annoyed, and I used to think and
It
just
is not fun when you do not know any of the answers.
it's fun when you don't know the
It's
answer.
fun when you know the answer.
Yes, exactly. That is what is my point. When slowly, then what happened? I started understanding concepts very slowly. I was a little slow than others. I was a slow learner, to be very honest. If people used to understand in once, I used to ask my teacher, मुझे ये नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे वो नहीं आ रहा है. Please, can you do it again for me? Like what you do. So when you do that, no, that reminds me of my school days. So I used to do that, and then when I used to understand, no, then I used to enjoy, and then I used to keep telling the teacher, give me more, give me more, give me more. And that is how I started, taking interest in maths. I used to love doing maths, and then one day I didn't realize, and maths became my favorite subject. That, and you know why I like maths the most? Because sometimes when you have numbers, no matter you get wrong answer, but some way you try to do something and you reach that answer. No, that is the loveliest part of maths. Yes or no? Now, I will not name one
Yes.
of them. Now, suppose this, you know that in fractions, you only take LCM when you have to do subtraction and addition, right? Now, suppose this was your question 12 upon 3 plus 4 upon 2. So, what will be your because it is addition, and suppose if it was not addition and if it was minus, you have to
Ma'am,
take
the
L.
LCM will be 6.
Ma'am, 3 or the
Ma'am, it will
LCM.
be 6. Ma'am,
But then
LCM is 6.
yes, 6. But suppose if this would be
Into then we have to do 3 fours are 12
yes.
and then
So
2
what
twos
I
are
will do,
4.
if I know that if I can cancel, I will cancel. So two ones are and two six are.
Yeah.
Now I don't have
And
anything to cancel. So what I will do?
but ma'am, this way you can cancel both. Like you can cancel 3 also and 2 also.
Yes. But now
Like
this in multiplication, what I can do, I can bring this into the simplest form. So that will become 8. Correct?
yes.
Ma'am, which subject we will do today then?
We'll do science. I'll just finish this one story, and why I like maths, I'm telling you. because sometimes I, laugh when I correct the papers. Now you know that when it is addition, can you cancel? You cannot cancel. You have to just take the LCM to make your denominator same, and then you can just simply add the numerator, correct? And then if you can reduce it to its simplest form, that is your final answer. But one of my brilliant student, what some children, what they do, they think कि ये मैथ्स में ना कुछ तो इधर उधर ऐसा कैंसिल करना है, कुछ तो करना है, और फाइनली एक नंबर के साथ हमको आंसर लाना है. So one of my brilliant student in multiplication, in the multiplication, took LCM, and then what all rubbish he wrote. But finally, I was surprised that the answer was right, and I wonder how. Umar? And then,
Definitely.
ma'am, and then when I was doing the sums on the board, he's telling me, ma'am, मल्टीप्लीकेशन में तो एलसीएम नहीं लेते हैं. तो मैंने बोला लेकिन तुमने तो एलसीएम लेके किया है. देन ही रियलाइज्ड व्हाट आई टुक एलसीएम. सो यू नो हाउ मैथ्स इज, कि नहीं कुछ तो करना है. मैम ने बोला है कि इसको कैंसिल करना है, उसको नहीं करना है, बट देयर आर फ्यू रूल्स दैट वी हैव टू फॉलो. दैट इज वेयर समटाइम्स वी फील दैट मैथ्स has become difficult. But believe me, it is not. It is joy. When you learn the concepts, when you understand the concepts properly, then when you feel to enjoy, then when you begin to enjoy maths. Yes, Aisha, that same thing is happening with you, but I'm sure definitely I'll clear all your doubts.
Yes.
Equivalent fraction is very easy. Just listen to me carefully. How you are very much comfortable with smaller digit numbers, with small numbers, single digit. Only the thing is you have to carry out your multiplication carefully. That's it. And that is very easy. Okay, so let us stop this for now today, and let us go back to science. Okay, so what have we learned in science so far? We know that our body is made up of skeleton. You have skeleton, bones, muscles in your body, or you just have skeleton. Imagine you just have skeleton in your body. How would we look like?
We will look
Look
like
like
ghosts.
I know, with all those words. Remember that song?
Let me look like this.
Like you, like Hamza.
Yes.
Okay, Hamza, but you're not like a skeleton. You're a chubby, chubby, fleshy boy. Fatty,
I'm
fatty boy.
going to move.
he would be like a stick, a small
You would be like a stick, actually.
very thin.
So, with
It's very easy to.
Burgers. And we won't be able to drink Coca-Cola.
trying to tell something, but we
And
hear-
ma'am, if we eat something, it will just drop from the back,
Okay, yes. Imagine if we
the
would be
back
like,
of the mouth.
and imagine
Ma'am,
we would not have different. We have why? Okay, tell me, why do we have different types of bones in our body? You know we have learned different types of bones. You have short bones, you have long
Yes.
bones, you have irregular bones, and you have different size of bone, right? Why is that we don't have one type of bone and you have all different types of bones in your body?
To give it
Because
shape to our body.
to give it shape and to move.
Okay, very good. To give shape and to move, very good. Everybody give me your own opinion, or why do you have different types of bones? Why the bones are different in size? Why they are different in shape? Why their size varies from each other? Zaveria, tell me why.
good shape.
Okay, to give a good shape to your body. Yes, Aisha Kazi, tell me why. Aisha, Aga, why aren't you putting your screen
It
on?
would have
So ma'am, we could stand properly, balance it.
And ma'am, we could like we could
Okay, now we will
like
imagine
move,
things,
be
okay?
flexible.
Imagine you have a long bone in your brain. How would
What ma'am?
if instead of you have long bones where? In your arms and legs, that is humerus, tibia, fibula. Imagine you
Ma'am,
have
not in your limbs. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, you have long bones in your hands and legs.
Yes, imagine you have a long bone in your brain. How would your brain look like? It would not be round in shape then. How would our brain look like? My God. Imagine we are walking
It
on
will
a
be
road and we
straight.
have a, yes, okay. Imagine your long bone. Your long bone is not vertical, it is horizontal. It is like this. Imagine when you are walking on the road, we would all clash and,
They will
bang
be
each
like
other.
this.
Yes, it would be like this, and we
Your
would all
face
go.
would be like this.
Our face
Your
would
face
be
would be like
so
a
big.
red triangle.
Yeah, imagine you have instead of long bone, you have a the bone which is in your brain, round or short bone in your arms and leg. Our hands and legs would be all so small, 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 small. No, and we also would be so small.
Ma'am, small bones can fit inside the brain, but long bones are very big, so they will go all outside the brain.
Yes.
Yes. So
Ma'am, my one
imagine
limb
the
will be like this.
long bone inside your brain. Our head would not be so much. Then our head would have become such a big thing. Yes or no?
Bigger than Einstein.
Yes.
And
So
ma'am, my
that
bones will break because of the weight.
because of the weight. Okay. Yes, that is also correct. And if we would walk on the road, imagine everybody having such a big head. We would bang each other's head. Yes or no?
Ma'am, we'll be giraffe. Giraffe do neck fight, we'll do head fight.
Yes, we'll all do head fight on the road then. ये मेरे को क्यों धक्का मारा? Then we will all have now we have all timings, no? कि only so many people can move about in the road because of their long brains, long bone in the brains, because they all bang each other, they all fight, they all have lovely neck fight and head fight. How we watch in Discovery and Animal Planet, we would have all live shows, neck fight and head fight.
Ma'am, and everybody's mama give them jappar. Now they will give them head par.
Yes. What a lovely scene that would be, no?
Ma'am, in science for the final exam, what chapters will come?
We'll just have magnetism and skeleton full chapter. We will probably complete before 31st only. Okay, I will give you the notes. I will give you everything. Don't worry. So now
Ma'am, it's only skeletals, no? In the ma'am, I say it's only skeletals, not muscles and all the systems.
muscles and all everything we will cover this week and next week. Don't worry.
Okay.
So what is the purpose of introducing
So,
this?
ma'am, less of magnetism and more of skeletal and muscle.
Yes. Yes. So we that is the purpose of having different types of bones in our body. That is the purpose that we have long bones. Why do we have short? Imagine you have long bones in your finger. How long, how stretchable your hand would be. I think so, touching till the ground. Yes.
Like that. And
Yes.
when we'll be walking, our hand will be driving on the ground.
Funniest thing, suppose now we are taking class. No, I am taking a class, and even you all are sitting in front of your device. Imagine if you would have long bones in your hand, in your fingers, you don't have to get up to go and drink water. You can just stretch your hand, and your hand can reach till your bottle. No,
Ma'am,
Bar-
and then ma'am, if we have long fingers, we can just do like this, and it will unmute and
yes.
mute.
Suppose you don't reach your fan button, you're sitting on the chair. It would be so easy. बैठे बैठे ही सब on off कर सकते थे because you have long bones in your fingers.
And imagine if we had, ma'am, the whole, ma'am, what if the
Ma'am,
whole,
but they would be very fragile.
I know they would all fall down like this.
help me, I cannot control my fingers.
Ma'am, it will be very hard to lift one finger then.
Yes, you might require the help of your other arms to lift your fingers. So if you have advantage of something, you also have disadvantage of something, right? Of having that same thing. So that is why there is a very important purpose of having all different shapes of bones and how they are located in the body is much important. Yes,
Ma'am, imagine our whole body was irregular bone.
imagine. I
Ma'am,
know.
what if
How
the whole
we would look like-
skeleton?
You know, a sack full of stones, small stones, and that sack is kept somewhere. We would also look like that sack if we would have only irregular and short bones in our body. somebody would have lifted us and put it in one corner ki yahin baithe raho chupchap, because you have all that small bones. As it is, you cannot walk, you cannot do anything, or we would have fallen off here and there and crawl and gone to the kitchen, to the market. How funny all that scene would be, no?
Ma'am, if we have all small short bones, we'll have to take both of the hands with the pencil and write like this.
And we would all be like those that seven dwarfs, you know. Have you all watched that movie? All that Lilliputian chote chote se log. We would all look like them.
चॉकलेट फैक्ट्री के वो बिली वोंका का भैया रहता है
The dwarf.
Yes, we would all be like those seven dwarfs with small fingers, small hands, and everything. Yes. So that is why it is very important. That is why God created us in such a way that we have all different types of bones in such a and they are located in such a part that our body movement is flexible and we can carry out our daily activities easily. So the very important role of different types of bones located in our body is for a free movement in our body, free mobility in our body. Yes. We have long bones in our arm. That is why it is very easy to carry out our daily activities. We have long bone in our legs. That is why we can walk and cover certain distance in very short period. You know, compare when you have heighted people and when you have a short heighted people comparatively to heighted, why do they cover more distance in short period? Because their legs are very long and they can cover long distance. But short people, they have to, you know, really walk hard and they think, "Arey Babar, ye bahut fast chal raha hai," so they literally start running. One day we will have fast, okay? Not running race. You all know what is fast walking race. You don't have to
Ma'am,
run.
one time,
I have to walk fast.
Yes.
ma'am, one time I went in the
And then
room
they start
and my
running.
mom was sitting. So I was telling her to give me something that is very far away. And then she took her hand and just took it from me. I was so surprised, so long hand.
Yes.
And ma'am, it happened to babies when they start walking. Means by following. The parents
You all
they
know,
go very far and they are still.
you all know who is Usain Bolt? Have you
Yes,
all heard
ma'am.
about this name?
Usain Bolt.
Yes, ma'am.
He's the fastest running man on the planet. Have you all ever observed his legs?
Yeah.
They will be very
I,
big. No?
Small.
I saw
I
him in
think so.
photo.
Few steps he covers so much of distance. No?
Ma'am, he and the cheetah have equal speed.
Yes. Now
Oh,
the
ma'am, cheetahs are faster.
cheetahs are much more faster, but Usain Bolt, I think so, is known to be a male virgin cheetah, you know. He is the fastest running man on the planet. I don't know next who's going to be from my right class when they grow up. Anybody who's interested in sport and at least you all want, okay, what you like? Okay, Zaviria, what you like? Which sport is your favorite?
I like running race, football. I like all the sports.
You like all the sports, only where you want to outdoor jumping, you like everything, no? Aisha, which is your favorite sport?
Ma'am,
Aisha,
I like sports.
Ma'am, I also like all the sports.
okay, as long as you just get out of the house and jump, we like all the sports.
No,
But
I like
playing
indoor
outside also
activities.
makes me feel.
Ma'am, I like cycling.
Wow, you like
I
like all the sports.
you know what?
Ma'am, I like all
I
the
want
sports. Two times in slow cycling.
I like
But
all the sports.
okay, Dania also like all the sports. When I was in the school, I used to play a lot of throw ball. You know what is a throw ball? You have a net in the between, and you have two teams, one on that side and here, and then you have to throw the ball. But somebody, if they do not catch, then our team gets
Ma'am,
you know,
it's like volleyball.
yeah, somewhat not exactly, but you have to catch. So I used to like that very much. I used to always play that. Then I like badminton also very much, and I like cycling, and that's it. I don't like all the sports because now y'all are so small, so y'all think anyways, we have to get out of the house saying that, no,
Ma'am, I like all the sports, but I like the cycling most.
you don't like cricket.
Ma'am, I like cricket, football, badminton, all, but I like the most cycling.
My dadu and my father, they both see cricket together and they shout so loudly.
I know. I'll tell you one incident. When I was small, actually, I was in my college days, and it was evening 4 o'clock, and I don't remember when my brother was my cousin, and they all were sitting and watching their match, and I was preparing tea for them. So I was about to just put sugar into the tea. I don't know किसने चौका मारा कि सिक्सर मारा. They shouted so loudly, पूरा चाय और पूरा शक्कर नीचे. I got so scared in the kitchen. So sometimes I feel cricket is a very noisy game. They scare others. I feel they are playing, they are enjoying, and people sitting in the house, they yell and they shout, and what a fun they have, no? And then I bait my brother so much, no, I made him only clean everything. I told, because of you, everything fell down, better go and clean, go. I was just about to go to put sugar, and the way they screamed, everything fell down. So the coming back to the topic, one purpose of location of our bones is very important is movement. And what is the second purpose? Why is the bone in such a way? Second is, why is our movement very flexible? Can anybody tell me why is our movement very
Because
flexible?
of the short and long bones.
Okay, that is one aspect that we just discussed, why we have different
Yes.
types
Because of the joints in our body.
because of the joints in,
Tendons and ligaments.
yes, like tendons and ligaments. So joint, okay, hi, who is that? Your younger sister, Aisha?
Yes.
Hi. So joint is also very important with the size of the bones. Imagine if you don't have joint in your body. Just imagine, now this is your shoulder. Can you all see me on the screen? I can rotate my shoulder complete in a circular motion. Why? Because there is a joint over here in the shoulder, and my arm has a joint over here, because of which I can move my hand freely from up to down, backward, forth, everywhere. Why is it? Can you move your elbow like this? No. Your elbow can be only moved in one direction, that is up and down, right? So this kind of joint, the joint which you have in your shoulder and your pelvic girdle, that is in your hip, is known as ball and socket joint. What is it known as? Ball and socket joint.
Ball and socket.
From the word only you come to know, because it is ball, so it is a round like thing which allows your shoulder and arm to be together. They join them together. That is the reason you can completely move your hand, your arms from the shoulder, and your movement becomes very flexible. This is known as ball and socket joint. Now your second joint is hinge joint. What do you mean by hinge joint? Where your upper arm and your lower arm joints, where they meet at the elbow, they are known as hinge joint. It allows your body to move partially. What do I mean by partially? It will restrict your movement. It will give a limitation to your movement like this. Now this is only allowing you to move in one direction, like your door. You can only open and shut the door, right? Else you can't do anything with the door.
You can't fully rotate it.
Yes, you cannot fully rotate. Exactly. So can you give me one more example of hinge joint? I gave you one example is your elbow. That is
Ma'am,
up
our
and
leg. Our leg, ma'am.
that is knee, the patella. The patella,
The patella.
Patella.
try to move it up and down. That will only move in one direction. That will not allow you to completely give a free movement. Okay. And the third joint is known as pivot joint, Pivot. What do you mean by pivot joint? I'll give you one example. That is your neck. Your neck only can move towards your right or left to a certain degree. Can you completely rotate your neck? Of course you can if you work in a horror film. Yes? If you get a chance to work in horror films, you can completely rotate your neck, no, and scare everybody. But unfortunately, it does not happen when we are humans. You can only restrict your movement up till this degree.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we can't rotate. Like even if we try something.
you cannot. Please do not try, because I don't want you all to break your bones and your hands, legs, and neck. I want you all.
In a horror picture, it is fake. They do some acting.
I know. That is what, unless and until you do not get a chance to work in a horror film, you cannot rotate your neck completely. So the science lovers,
Now
you have
I do not like horror film. It is so scary.
you don't like, even I don't like. But when I was small,
I
I
only
used
like comedy pictures.
I like it.
yes, even I like comedy.
I
movies.
love horror films.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I also like horror.
Okay, so one day
My
Zaveri
sister always wants to watch it, but because
Ma'am, horror it's not scary.
My sister never wants to watch it. Safia.
my sister wants to watch it, but I do not let her watch.
Till the time I watch horror movie, I enjoy very much. But when I put off the light and I go to sleep, that is the time I get very scared. Then I remember all the
Ma'am,
scenes,
same.
you know.
Ma'am, the same. That's why I don't watch horror movies.
And
Ma'am,
meanwhile,
When I watch horror movies, when I go to sleep, all the scary things.
Ma'am,
yes, that is what happens with me also. When I go to sleep, then I remember all one scene, and then my mother shouts, "Who told you to watch?"
nightmares.
And then I go to my mother and I sleep, you know.
Ma'am,
I hold her tight and I sleep.
after our final exam, can you show us a nice movie?
What
Home
happened?
Alone or something? After our final exam, when we come together on our first day of, like after our holidays, can you show us a movie? A
I
nice
can't,
one.
Aisha, be a little loud, no, please.
After our final, can you
Uh-huh.
hear me? After our final exams, when we have our first session together, then can you show us a very nice movie?
Yes, like the red balloon. Oh God! Now I remember, where is the report? Huh?
Mom, I already give you report on Google Classroom.
Okay, you want to watch a movie like Red Balloon? It was
No,
very
not
good.
like Red Balloon. It was nice movie,
No,
but
ma'am.
the one
But
like
it was
one
very
which have
silent.
sound. One
No,
which
no,
have a sound.
show you the red balloon, but somewhat that only.
No, not like that. Means it
Then
was nice, but something with sound in it, like the Jungle Book or Home Alone.
Or
okay,
anime.
I will try to find such movie.
Anything but not horror movie.
Okay, okay. We will watch a nice comedy movie. Let me see. I'll try to find something. Okay.
Did
We'll
you
watch.
watch Matilda?
We'll watch Mr. Bean.
That is not
Ma'am,
movie.
there is a it's a
Can we watch
movie.
Matilda?
Okay, you all decide, and everybody will give me one name of the movies. Okay, after the exam,
Matilda.
and then we will vote for it and we will watch that. But there is one. I'm sorry. You have to fare very good in your exam. Then one movie will be a gift from me, and one movie what you all decide. So now you all have to see fare very well in your exams. Okay. I'll just show you one small video on joints before we end the class.
Science with me. Science with me. Let's do some science with me. On the inside of my body are bones that keep me tall. Without them, I'd be like Jello, and I'd look a little small. The place where my bones meet are known to all as joints.
See, this is known as ball and socket joint. Can you see there is a curve-like thing here that is attached to your pelvic girdle. So this is an example of ball and socket joint. You have it in your shoulder and you have it in your pelvic girdle. That is in
They
your
help
hips.
my skeleton to move around so I can get from point to point. Where my shoulder meets my arm, there's a socket and a ball. They let my arm swing to and fro and help with loads I haul.
My elbows and my knees is well are like hinges on a door.
They can only move in one direction, but they're great for push-ups on the floor. The fused joints in my skull surround the brain in my head, a perfect fit. These joints never ever move around in case my head should ever get hit. To keep my joints together and to hold all my bones in place.
I have tissue known as ligaments, so I can move with style and grace.
To get my bones to pull, I use my muscles lean.
Yeah, and where my muscles join my bones, tendons can be seen.
Are you interested in your bones? Come into science with me.
Okay.
What a lovely poetry, you know, science poetry. See, they explain to you in the poetry what do you mean by ligaments and what do you mean by tendons. Yes or no? Who's going to buy at this poetry and tell me? Okay, and the last thing is this. I will also make a poetry like this, sing and teach all the lesson. That would be fun. Yes, Zaveria is telling yes.
The place where two or more
See.
bones are joined together is called a joint. We can bend our body around the joints. Example, knee, elbow, wrist, neck, etc. There are two kinds of joints, fixed and movable joints. Fixed joints, as the name suggests, are fixed and cannot move. The skull is an immovable joint. The movable joints are the joints which can move. Not all movable joints can move in all the directions. Let us now see the various movable joints. Let us see the ball and socket joint. It allows the maximum movement. The round end of one bone fits into hollow part of another bone, hence the name ball and socket joint. Hip joint and shoulder joint are the examples of the ball and socket joint. The bowler in cricket, while bowling, swings his hand freely around his shoulder. The hinge joint works like a door on the hinge. It enables movement only in one direction. Knees, elbows, fingers, toes have hinge joints. Let us see pivot joint. One bone has a projection which fits into the ring-like ligament of another. It allows for movement in many ways. The head can be moved from side to side, up and down, backward, forward, and sideways. The skull moves on the top of first vertebra. Let us see gliding joint. Adjacent bones slide over each other and allow for a limited movement. It allows our back to bend, twist, and turn at each joint, like the vertebrae of the backbone, wrist, and ankles. What would happen if your backbone is made up of just one long bone? It would make us stiff as a scarecrow. To sum up various kinds of joints. The joints are of two types, fixed and movable joints. The movable joints are further categorized in four groups: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. Have you thought how bones are joined together? Is some glue used to join the bones to form the skeleton? Tissues that join one bone to another are called ligaments. Ligaments hold the joints together.
Okay, we already know this, that where bones and bones meet each other, that is known as ligaments, and where muscles and bones join to each other and help in movement, they are known as tendons.
Ma'am, who is zero?
I don't
Yes,
know.
ma'am. Zero is chatting to me. Zero, zero, zero is writing.
Yes, ma'am. It chat to me.
Ma'am,
Zero,
zero is
is back.
chatting.
Yes, ma'am.
Chat to me that zero is back. Zero, zero.
I
Yeah, ma'am,
really,
for me also like that. It is zero.
huh. I really don't know. You just entered. Okay. So what we learned today, that why do we have different types? What are the main purpose of different types? Different size of bones, and what are the main reason of movement in our body is these types of bones and the joints in our bones. Now the main purpose of the movement, why are these joints able to move, is muscles, that we will learn in detail in our next class. Okay, today
Okay, ma'am.
which types of joints have we learned? What are those three types of joints? Can you all name them?
Ma'am, ball and socket joint.
Very good. Come on,
Hint.
Zaveria, Umar, try.
Ma'am, hint joint.
Hinge joint
Hinge
Then
joint.
pivot joint.
and pivot joint. Okay. I will
And the head.
just have to pay attention to the explanation part, and the videos what I show you is just so that you all can see the video and that will be easier for you all to understand. Don't worry about the notes. I will prepare the complete notes and give it to you by next week. Okay. Now in the next class, we will study in more detail about these joints. The main purpose of the mobility in the joints are, wow, Huzefa Patan is now entering the class. Superb. Now he is going to take the class from here.
Ma'am, time
Ma'am,
is
lock the meeting and throw the people outside the
For us
meeting.
to leave. And the main purpose of the mobility in a joint is what? Okay, is this zero Huzefa Patan only?
Yes, ma'am. It's he renamed.
He renamed it, I know. Okay, so the main mobility in our joints, in our bones are what? Muscles, that we will learn in the next class how. Okay, tomorrow we will do maths. Okay, tomorrow I will clear your doubt, Aisha. Don't worry. Bye everybody.